Good evening, judges. We are Team Bytecoders and we are solving the problem statement AI incident root cause analyzer for SRE teams. Now, during outages, engineers waste valuable time searching logs, dashboard, and alerts to identify the root cause. We have built an AI agent that connects and identifies root causes and suggests fixes instantly. Now, this is the product that we have built. This is the landing page. Now, let's dive in. So the dashboard is loading currently. I would dive into the main page and let the dashboard load. So this is the main page, and here I will just quickly type on this. I can use any other URL as well, but this is just for demo. So as you can see, we are getting a 401 status code, and we can see that the latency is also we can see the latency is also changing every 5 seconds. So let's not wait here, but I would dive into the complete workflow right now. So this is the complete workflow in which if the user enters an endpoint and an API, it goes to the monitoring scheduler and it sends this request to the endpoint periodically, as I already said. And it collects metrics, latency, status codes, failures, timestamps, logs. And it stores them in a structured format in the MySQL database. It stores the request logs, monitor APIs, anomalies, incidents. Now we go to the incident pipeline. Here we have two separate workflows. First is statistical detection, which is rule-based, and another is machine learning-based isolation forest. Now these two run parallelly. After that, we have the incident detection, in which groups failures, detects anomalies, reduces the LLM context, which is the main point here, and summarizes the logs. Now, without reducing the LLM context, the LLM would get too much context, and the rate limit would be reached very fast because many tools have been called. So this is very important. After that, we have the RCA agent, in which we are using the Grok Llama 3.3 model. We have used a small model here, but we can use a bigger model. After which is now this agent is explaining the causes, giving the root cause analysis, suggests fixes, preventions, business impact, summarizes the incidents, and gives us smart alerts plus AI insights. So this is the whole game. Now we have also thought in the future, we have also thought of hitting the API endpoint using multiple browsers, so that we can check if a particular API is working on a single browser, if it's even working on other browsers or not. And we could use bigger models as well and better ML models. So that's how we can expand. So now it's been much time. I think we can tap the stop monitoring button and maybe get the RCA. So yeah, we have got the RCA. So it is saying that it is due to, like, I will just show lost sales and revenue, which is perfect. Business impact and recommended fixes is investigate Stripe payment API for any normal, check network connection and DNS resolution, verify API credentials and authentication. So these are the things that have came from the LLM. Regularly monitor API and failure rates. So yeah, third party services are reliable. So yeah, so this is the things that is coming. So it is correct. It's mostly correct. We could like a bigger model could result in a better analysis, I would say. Now I would let the dashboard. So I guess the dashboard is a bit slow. Oh, no, okay, loaded. Sorry, I'm very sorry. It loaded quite. Okay, so as you can see, the current is the 404 that we just got. Active incidents, 404 number of incidents that are active. Success rate, APIs monitored, and average latency. These things I monitored earlier. So this is the thing. Here we can also see the latency trends as well, error rate and all. So yeah, this is the whole product that we have built, and yeah, that's all.